morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing great. Stock Option Sniper here. Just real quick, if you guys hear a little bit cut off, my audio and stuff like that, it's a little bit windy from where I am, so it's messing with my connection, but I hope everything is well. I hope each and every one of you had an amazing trading day today on Monday. If you didn't, that's cool too. Cash is a position. If you have that setup, wait for your setup, and we don't jump into trades, right? Excuse me. So today I'm going to talk about stop doing this. Stop being a pajama stripe trader. Right? Let's go to a random stock where we can. Let's go HD. Let me see if I tried HD. All right, cool. Oh, I did. I've tried HD. HD right now is looking to make a bounce. So what do you mean? What do you mean, Carl? So as you guys can see, I show you guys the strategy. If you're new to this video, if you're new and somehow you clicked on this video, get out of this video right now and go watch the previous video. Why? Because you won't understand anything that I will say, and you'll think that I'm talking gibberish when I'm really not. Right? And those of you who have been watching my content over and over, I tell you guys all the time, this is a build-up education where it's not a random strategy, try this strategy, where you had 20 different strategy and now you're paralyzed because you don't know what strategy to use as confirmations, right? So go rewatch those previous video if you have not. So as you can see right here, we have HD looking for that. We have that structure right here. We're looking for that last down move. We have price almost hitting our zone. So if you're in my community, I gave this play out too. Once we have that, we're gonna confirm that via Wyckoff, right? So we have that price bouncing, and we're looking to go up higher. So why did I just talk about this? Well, excuse me, I need some water. All right, cool. So I want to teach you guys. I've been teaching you guys to stop being a pajama trader. What does that mean? Pajama trader, zebra trader, whatever that means, right? I want to show you guys if I'm not talking crazy here. So you guys see you have a structure. You have a structure here. You have an impulse, whatever you want to call it, right? You have an impulse here. You guys see that? And as you understand, we make that blue so we don't confuse anybody. Like I said, if you are still watching this video and you have not watched my previous video, this is going to confuse you. So go watch the previous videos right now. Otherwise, this is all going to be, nothing is going to make sense, right? So this video is about you guys not being pajama stripe traders, right? So now you wait for price to come up here in the form of SND, right? Then you were like, all right, that's good, that's good. Then you have another SND here. You guys see what I'm going here? Why I say pajama stripe traders? Now you have 3 SNDs. Now you're confused, right? Now you're super confused. You don't know which zone is going to hold, which zone is for confirmation. You are confused. Today we're going to prevent that. If you watch the videos from left to right, you will not confuse that. If you don't know what left to right is, go watch that right now. I'm going to say it again. If you're here and this is the first video you're watching, this will not make sense. Go back to the previous video. My channel is built on an education of compounding where in order for you to learn this lesson, you must go back to the previous lessons, right? So this right here will confuse you as traders. Why? Because now we understand we have our zone. But now I was like, no, this is not the supply zone. This is not the real zone. This is the real zone. Oh, no, this is the real zone. Oh, the price fell. Why? Because there's another zone over here or whatever. Right? You guys know what I'm saying. Not trying to exaggerate, but you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Right? So we don't want that. And how do we confuse that? You let the play run. Sometimes we understand that the price will do this, right? That's just how it goes. That's just trading is, right? There is no solution to that but you being patient. I came up with a video about being patience. I think it's called patience, right? It's called patience, or is it patience or don't rush into a trade, something like that. But it's there, you guys, right? Sometimes price will do this, okay? We have the structure, we have the SND, we have everything. We're doing our part. So what we're doing is we're just waiting for price to come up. Confirm that. Sometimes we draw all that zone, but price will barely touch it and drop without us. Sometimes price will come here and break even higher. Straight up here, go down, right? And we miss our entire play and be like, oh, the zone never held up. No, the zone was fine. We had everything corrected. Sometimes price will do that. Sometimes price will go to your favor, take out that low structure high, just go right below it and come right back up, right? That's normal, you guys. That is normal. It's part of the game. What do you want me to tell you? It's part of the game. It is normal, right? But this crap right here, where you have zones and you don't know which zone to use, that right there is not it. Stop doing that. I don't teach you guys to do that. I teach you guys to be patient. I teach you guys to be disciplined. I teach you guys to stick to your rule. If you lose on your trade, two things can happen. It's either you lose a little or you break even, right? I want you guys to always break even. I don't want you guys to lose. But if you do, I hope you guys are managing your risk well. And I hope you're taking high probability setup in order to take those losses. By the way, if you haven't watched my video, I came out with a video. It's called, oh man, I made so much video. It's called Retail versus Bank, and I was showing the difference between trading supply and demand zone, and I had different strategy. Guys, we gave out those crowd puts. Look at those crowd puts. Same exact setup that I gave you guys, right? My rules from left to right. I had that UTAD right there. I had that test. I had that PSY, LPSY, last point of supply. And what happened? This is it, what I'm talking about. All I knew, one thing. The thing that I knew, that we had to liquidate this low. Liquidate this low. Right? Liquidate that low. You guys see that? And we're going to liquidate 156. And I'm still holding this crowd play. If you're part of my community, you got this play. If you are not, that video of this video that I talked about, this will release November 21st. Right now is only October 10th, so I'm extremely ahead, right? And I want it that way. But you all will get access to that if you're part of my community. If you don't know what community I'm talking about, just go to my description. It's called Patreon. I do classes there, right? And you get to trade with me. I take all that plays, and I give out all the plays, and we network with individuals that are learning the same exact things. But if you're making already good money and you don't need that, hey, that's cool too, right? I tell you guys all the time, you don't need my mentorship. I appreciate you guys just being here, just supporting and showing love into the channel. By the way, also, if you are subscribed, if you are not yet, like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe right now. I have content. If you guys don't believe me, right there, November 21st, right? We have content that are dropping. We will be dropping this content every single 3 days. And like I said, it's an education building. It's an education building. It's a buildup of education of the things that I talk about. So if you miss one video, you won't understand the next video. And you'll be like, what is he talking about? This dude is talking nonsense. But in reality, I've been telling you guys that you have to watch the previous video to understand this video, right? If So like and subscribe right now so you don't miss none of that video. I'll be coming on more content. Guys, literally, people pay 20,000s, thousands and thousands of dollars for this information. I'm giving it all to you guys for free. And sometimes that's the issue. When we get things for free, we don't cherish them the way how we paid into them because it's free. There was nothing in exchange, no energy, no sweat, no hard work, no nothing, right? That's the problem sometimes, but I'm giving it to you guys for free. So please take advantage. Don't wait until I put this thing on private and start selling these content, which I'm not, but don't have to wait for me to have to do that. For you guys just to cherish and value this, right? Like I said, everybody, I also want to include that this is not financial advice. I have a disclaimer. Everything that you see here is my own perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and trade at your own risk, you guys. Okay? With that being said, let's go to another play. BA, right? I took a BA play. I took 3 losses. It's whatever, right? I lost like $20, but then I took that last trade. I got kicked out, and look at that overall. It went down and it's trading. Is most likely tomorrow BA is going to fall hard back to 127, right? I'm gonna give that out to my team as well. And BA puts most likely is the play for tomorrow. I'll wait until it touches this again, and we're taking a drop. I have it here. So from 132 to 127, that's a gorgeous play, you guys. Okay, I want to show you guys a nice proper setup right here. I'll take out HT for us. Let me take out that RSI. It's annoying. So I teach you guys not to become pajama stripe traders. So it becomes like this, right? Let's go to 2 hours so we see more impulses. Nope, 15 minutes is fine. Right? I'm sorry, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay? So you're like this, okay? I have my structure. Carl told me to draw the structure. I have a perfect structure here, right? Now I'm gonna wait for price to get up here. You guys see that? I have my structure, my SND. Did price go up there? No. No, it did not. Cool. That's cool. Right? We missed a play. Now we have another structure here. If you don't know what I'm talking about structure, I have a video all in structure right here. Understanding market structure in a single video. Guys, I teach you everything. And this is why the reason why I keep telling you guys to like and subscribe, right? So you guys don't miss a content. Right? We have that structure. We find the last down the last up move before the down move, which was right here. Did we hit that zone? Yes, we did. We hit it twice actually. Then it came back up. You probably broke even, but if you took a re-entry, you're good. Okay, we're looking to take out that 280 right now, 283. So Home Depot can see breaking the structure tomorrow, or we can take another retest or come up. But at the end of the day, we know we're trading high probability setup. We're not just jumping into trades, right? But I don't want you guys to do this. I don't want you guys to do this. This is the video about. This is what this video is about, right? This is what it's about. I have a structure here, another structure. Let's make that blue. Make that red, right? Guys, I hope you're getting a lot of value into this. Even though I tell you guys the same exact thing over and over, you guys still learn something new. Even if I'm learning something new, you guys got to be learning something new every day, right? So now we have two zones. So don't confuse yourself. Do not confuse yourself, right? Oh, I have two zones. So instead of this zone, I'm going to wait for that zone for price to come up there. Or I have this other structure, right? I have this other structure. I find my SND, right? If you don't know how I'm drawing SND, I have a advanced supply. Where's that? It's not yet posted, but it will be posted by the time you're watching this video, right? So I don't want you guys to be this pajama stripe trader. Look at this. You have so many zones. You don't know which zone to enter in. You do not know which zone to enter in. This is what I do not want you guys to do. This is not it right here. This is not it, you guys. I do not want you guys to do this. This is the reason why you guys look at my videos and some of you got the perfect setup. You got the structure, you got the SND, but you have so much of this crap and you're so confused. And it's no difference from you doing this. It's no difference. Oh, this is a demand zone. You got to bounce here. It's a demand zone. It's a demand zone right here. Oh, right here. This is another demand zone. This is another demand zone. Oops, this is another demand zone because it bounced from there. This right here, you guys, how the hell are you going to trade like that? So every time, imagine if you kept doing this. What did you think about this? Huh? Right here. This is a valid example. Right? This is the demand zone. You guys can agree with me. I used to trade retail. Demand zone, it bounced from there. What happened? Run through it like nothing. This is a demand zone. What are we going to do? We're going to liquidate that. Watch. Now, financial advice. Okay? Look at that. This is a demand zone. What's going on right now? Everything is going down. So if you find your trend, knowing that you're in a downtrend, guys, we're looking to liquidate these lows. Or even we can bounce up here. The price can go down here, right? The price can go down here and then it can bounce back up, okay, and then go down. But you have a certain range where you know price is going. You're not creating this stripe trading zebra zones where you don't know where your confirmation zone is. Work with one structure. Where are you currently at? I'm not working with this structure. I'm working with this structure. So I'm going to focus on this. If it passes above this, cool, whatever. But I'm not going to start drawing so many zones to a point where I know I'm not going to work there because I'm still in a downtrend here. I'm focused in this impulse, right? And this left to right rule, you know we have to liquidate these. You know there's a lot of order here. If you don't know my liquidity video, the video on liquidity right here, market liquidity. Everyone loves this video. This is the reason why I put this as a foundation. I put that as a foundation of smart money because you understand that the price go. Once you understand where the price goes, you have no issue holding your plate, right? Because when I used to trade retail, oh, don't be greedy, don't be greedy, and I was like, hang on, I should have held longer. How do I figure that out? How do I hold my place longer, knowing that I will eventually hit that price target? And it's not about milking the play. It's not about that. It's more than that. It's accuracy of knowing where my price target goes. And sometimes it's not going to hit price target. And that's okay. But I am confident that my plan and my price targets are going to hit. And I know exactly where they are. Right? I show you guys that with liquidity and you're more confident knowing where the price go. Never confuse direction with this strategy. You know where it's going. Stop confusing yourself. Guys, I'm always say I'm not mad. I promise I'm just passionate what I'm teaching. I'm just very passionate. It's getting cold here in New York, so I'm getting that allergy, you already know, but appreciate you guys for listening to me. Right? So stop trading that pajama stripe trader where you confuse yourself in so many zones. I used to trade that. There's no difference between support and resistance, which I don't want to go into that right because it's not necessary. I'm gonna confuse you guys. I'm gonna confuse you guys even more. But you guys see this area right here, liquidity just means where is the most order lying in the market? It's lying right here. It lies right here. So what's gonna happen? When the composite man made this up move, they opened so many position, right? And now they have so many orders and they're down on that order. So what they have to do is take those order back by breaking even by liquidating all these lows right here. You guys see that? And then potentially bringing the price up higher to liquidate all these. You go to a higher time frame to liquidate all their prices there. But right now we have a lot of orders sitting down here at this 237.04. Right? A lot of orders, a lot of stop losses, a lot of individuals that are in this play, holding this play long terms, right? So we have to liquidate that. Well, we don't have to, but in the future we are going to liquidate that. Okay, you have to understand that, especially here. This is our 261. We are going to that 263.54. Once again, not financial advice. HD right now is at 282.46, you guys. 263. Don't be surprised when it goes there. Okay? But you guys should already know that if you're in my mentorship. Guys, quit doing this, please. This is a problem. This will keep you paralyzed. Having too much of the zone is gonna paralyze you. Go find out one structure and focus on that structure. Look at this. Why do I have this alert here? Because you guys know I love the 2 hours. So what happened? When HD comes up here, I know that we're either two things can happen. Either we can bounce and go higher to liquidate 292, or we can break down lower all the way to 265. I don't have to chase any play. I teach you guys how to master any time frame in the market. Go to the rules 30. I show you guys how to master any time frame. I don't care if you're playing the 1 minute. I teach you guys how to master any time frame. You guys have the formula. Go watch that rule 30 video. Right? Guys, that's all I have for you. I know my videos are quick, but I love making it straight to the point, and I don't want to keep on talking and talking and talking where the topic is derailed from the topic that I'm supposed to get to. So I make the video extremely quick to the point. This video today was about stop becoming a pajama trader where you have so many zones and you don't know which zones that's going to hold or you're going to use as a confirmation for your trade, right? And last but not least, each and every one of you, thank you so much that's been supporting me on my merch side. I love the fact that you guys are supporting me so heavily. So I truly appreciate that. And in return, every single day, I'm going to keep giving you guys so much value and make sure your trading strategies are refined and better to the T. Everything that I'm learning, I'm making, creating video. Like I said, you guys, I'm not just saying that. It's right here. It's October 9th, and we have content until November 21st. I do this for us. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. Once more, I'm going to leave you all with that. Peace.